Jesus says he's the way, the truth, and the life.
Yes,
no man
sir.
cometh to the Father but by me.
Yes,
the
sir.
best friend you can ever have is Jesus.
Jesus.
St. John 14 verse 6.
Yes, sir.
Have a good one.
Yeah,
This
man.
Is, that's the wife
Yeah,
from
man.
America Best New Testament Church.
Yeah, man. I wish me all the good luck, though. Is
I
it?
pray that the Lord will bless you and keep you from all evil.
All right. Thank you so much, sir. All right.
Well, you don't know people out there, you don't know. I want you to subscribe, to Dex Media every time. Yeah, the original. Yeah, Dex
right.
Media. Not left them out,
All right.
You still talk to them. That's how they deal with it,
Alright, people see what going on now. I put on the chain. She give me a bargain for the chain, is it? See that, people? Alright. Dex Media from Portland, and somebody said do a little walkthrough vlog when people see what go on in Port Maria, is it? Somebody don't know if you want to give business like highlights. People say what go on, is it? Yeah. So, what you say now? Hey, people, come and say you have a whole heap of nice things, man. You have things them for the female them. Wow, that's very nice, man.
If you don't know the story, you can card with Bobby Bob's Dex Media. Keep it locked.
Alright, people, I'm gonna see what go on. I can't even believe what go on here, man. See the people? I don't know if you can see it good, but this is Portland Jerk Center at Port Maria. I can't even believe so one jerk center there Port Maria name so either, is it? Can't believe. Hello, miss. I'm from Portland, I mean, I say, oh, I never know so one jerk center there named Portland Jerk Center, is it? So you see, are the same brand? I on YouTube, you see somebody go and showcase the place. Make people have a natural vibes. I have a YouTube channel, is it? Somebody say, I tour Port Maria today, isn't it? Yeah, man. A jerk chicken alone I want to sell everything. Rice and peas and chicken and everything. Okay, you see that the people? I say anybody who watch this video right now, then say them hiring now, you see it? Hiring now. Manager, supervisor, mixologist, cashier, waiter, chef. You understand? Handyman. So you can phone number go where you can call. It's up on the front. See phone number here, people. So you can call the number there. Alright, big up. So you subscribe to the channel, search Dex Media. Yeah. Hello. Whoa, I can't, yo, that's why nobody can do me nothing. Everywhere me go, somebody know me. Everywhere me go, somebody know me. Somebody said do a little tour. A Port Maria. I'm never done a Port Maria, that's it. Yeah. Alright. You know what? So you know I big up nobody out there. Alright, you're good, alright. Alright, look at this is an MP office, that's it, people. Yeah man, MP office, the right over here, so. Power office, that's it. Dr. Mark Gray. Right over here, so. This is the MP office. Yeah, General, up. Port Maria look good, man, I tell no lie. Right over there, so now you have the National Housing Trust. Why people night are come, I'm not reaching our town yet. Oh, sir. I never know, so Port Maria big. Big, man. Try hurry up to see if I can reach our town still, is it, people? Right now, people, we approach the Port Maria Primary School. Yeah, we just have passed the Port Maria Primary School. Alright. Alright, people, so right over there, so now you have one church. Is it? You have one church up on the right hand side. Yeah. That it. Well, I know everybody. I know somebody. Hey, brother? Oh, I tour the place. That's it. I tour Port Maria. Alright. Alright, so right over there so you have a medical center, you see it? Yeah. My God blessing, you know? Yeah man, my God blessing. Sometimes I just have to give thanks. People know me from all about the place. Alright people, so you can see where I go and we approach the town. Right there, so them have an ice cream shop. Yeah. Well, I deal with everything up. Now I'm a blogger from Buff Bay, so I'm just come to Port Maria to come blog the place. So I don't know if you want me to showcase the place. You're not have to dip on the camera, is it? If you know which to dip on the camera. But just want to show people what are going in a Port Maria town, is it? Alright people, so right now we approach a little stall. Street vendor, is it? Sell clothes, all type of clothes and things, you see it people, yeah. So who them for Oxford? Who them for Oxford? The people them for Oxford? Alright, my G. But then can just come and buy what them I buy. Alright, my G. Alright people, so we there in the town, you know, you see? Yeah man, we approach the town, you know, and things, you know, it's a mad thing. We finally reaching a Port Maria town, you know. Right over there, so we not rush the gun in the people, you see it? Right over there, so now, them have one hardware, you see it? Yeah. See the people? Hardware, see sign there. Alright, so right now. Alright people, so them have one supermarket over there, so you see it? Yeah. Them have a whole sale over there, so. Alright, so I approach one supermarket right there, so. Yeah. Whole sale over there, so. Taxi stand right there, so. My general the right there, so. Everywhere I go, I know somebody, you know, you see it? What I did, man? That's a showcase the town. Port Maria town, people still want to go on, you see it? So this is a taxi stand.
Don't catch me now, you know.
Alright, my G. When people still want to go in that place. Right over here, so now them have what? Wholesale. Alright, so wholesale over here, so. So people want to say people and stay, people they don't really like up on the camera. Oh, I kept it right over here, so. Alright, maybe I better go over there. Alright, General. What you know? I want YouTuber, you know, so I just showcase people who are going in that place. You understand what I say? So I don't know where I cost you, you understand what I say? But just promote the place, people can see what I'm going. So I don't know if you want me to highlight the business, so people can see what I'm going. That's it. Over 4,000 people there on my channel, so them are watching, them can see what I'm going. Yeah man, I'm a YouTuber, that's it. From Portland. Yeah, just search the Dex Media. See the people? The general the writer saying the people, he sell popcorn and he sell syrup. What is syrup? Alright. Boy, people are beer bees there, so yeah. How that you do ya, so? Alright. So who never ask? Yeah man, we cut out the part. Who never ask them when they come here, sir? Then just how they can find a place when they are Port Maria?
Alright.
Where they near to? Juicy beef, right? Juicy beef. Alright, my G. That's the word, man. See the people, juicy beef, they're right over there, so. I don't know if you can see what's going on. Alright, people, so. You want a DJ? Alright people, so Patty Express the right, that's the people. Yeah, no Portland alone, Patty Express there, you know. Patty Express there all about the place. You there Port Maria, you see it? Yeah.
Yo, Magnum and Jumbo, yo, you might be.
Alright people, so right now I go for juicy patty, you see it? Cause I know that people love juicy patty, you know, you see it? So I'm just showing how I'm going for juicy patty. Oh, go on. So this is juicy patty people, you see it? So circle. So right next to juicy, we have one stall, sell fruits and everything. Hello, I'm a vlogger from YouTube, so I'm just showcase people. People see what go on in the area, is it? So they can find your place, good your business get a shout out, is it? Yeah, so all the item for Oxtown and then register as well. Alright, oh, sweets, alright. Yeah man, big up yourself, mommy. Search Dex Meetup on YouTube. Hello, mommy. You want me to give business a little promotion? It not cost $1, but we just go on do my thing. What do you think? I know I want to go on the camera. You know you like a media thing now? Alright, mommy. I saw them here. You see, it's a natural peanut. So nice. Alright, mommy. Alright people, so right over here so now, like you have a supermarket over here, so you see it? So I'm gonna go tour, go over there and see what I go on for over there, you see it?
Go on another side. You know what?
You see one nice supermarket this moment. Oh, I go and everything up. Alright people, I don't really want night catch me, you see it? So I go tour town, you know? See what I go on in the town, you see it? Manners. Yeah, mommy, what go on, man? I Dex Media from Portland, and some of us do a little walkthrough vlog where people see what go on in Port Maria, is it? So I don't know if you want to give business a little highlights. So people say, what go on, is it? Yeah. So, what you say now? Where people them come, say you have a whole heap of nice things, man. You have things them for the female them. Wow, that's very nice, man. So who them for Oxtown when they come here? Who them for Oxtown? Andrea, alright Andrea. Can search Dex Meetup on YouTube. Yeah, men things also. Wow, that's very nice. Hello schoolgirls, wanna give me a few? Anybody here so is an artist or singer? Wanna sing something? Alright, mommy. I go on tour town, see me. Rasta artist. Yeah, I did, man. Everything up? Yeah, man. Nothing illegal, man. I just do a freelance promotion, is it? But I walk around and show the town. So people who live overseas can see what I go on. I know people on the channel who live overseas. They want to see towns and things, is it? Alright, my G. People right now, we approach the KFC, is it? Yeah man, KFC right, that's what happened. What go on, I start tour town, you see it? Yeah man, I do a little vlog, my people see what I go and see, you see it? Yeah, Dex Media J. See, you know, I give a few. I will sell right here, sell a lot of things, man. Come see you deal with Jamaica thing, man. You keep it authentic. Yeah.
But you know, sometimes I don't work fling out a lot of things because most time I have some cross the road. Yeah, but I just put out a few. I don't know the thing.
Okay, alright. So who never ask someone and they send a Port Maria?
Points, original.
Alright. Yeah, man, big up.
Original.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, thanks. Eh? I say me look. Yeah, I say me look, man. Yeah, look.
5 non-banners.
Unbanner, so okay. Alright, keyring. Where keyring then?
I have some here.
Oh, keyring.
Or if you like the unbanned, come here, look on them one. You see all them here?
Yeah, them the bad. How much you sell them? 5 bills one of them? Yeah, man, that's a pantanizer business. You know them here? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, give me one nice one. Real Jamaica thing, is it? Yeah.
Well, that's the thing going on.
Yeah, man, we have to try, you know. We can't just sit down, you know.
No,
we have to do it. Yeah, man, for real. Still support the business, see me. Okay.
Don't know, so we have to do it. So we can do.
Yeah, we have to do it. I was to see you, you know. Yeah. You have changed my toes now? Well, yeah, what me tell us the people come promote me promote me. You see one nice one this moment?
Yeah, man, see tell me I've been months over years.
Alright. Like this will give me good luck now. Alright, it's a good look charm. Alright.
You know, take off that one. Where you say your blog is?
Dex Media. How much I sell this, sir?
Them one there, 3, put that one there, they have 2 video.
Alright, next time I pass. I don't really have them big money now. I pass back again, man.
Like for you buy the other one. Give me 3 and take the 2 of them. Nice, you know.
Like, yeah.
Yeah, if you have 2, 5, you give me first. Anything you rather. Now, I want the Marcus Garvey one.
Show that one here. And this is a Marcus. Say Marcus?
No, it's Marcus.
Runner, we are here for your money. Runner. Who like to run on them?
You can put your picture in there, you can the picture.
Okay. Alright. So, you know, I buy that next time, man. Yeah, $1 not really there. Yeah, I know about next time, man. My boss, man.
Give me your advantage.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, you did me good, man. Yeah. Yeah.
Anytime I make money, never smile, anyone come talk to me, still talk to them. That's what I deal with it.
Alright, people see what I go on, you know, I put on the chain. She give me a bargain for the chain, you see? See that, people? Alright.
Yes.
Let's subscribe to Dex Media.
Well, you don't know people out there, you don't know. I want you to subscribe, you know, to Dex Media every time. Yeah, the original. Yeah, Dex
Alright.
Media. Not left them out, you know.
Alright. Yeah, alright, mommy.
Alright.
Yeah, people, this is the beautiful KFC. What do you call the plaza here, General? You remember? Alright, so we got the KFC plaza, right? Alright, my G. I got the original flag, man. What you know? I want to blog a place. I don't know where you stay. You want to go on it? You need it something there? Alright, my G. I can support the thing, you know. I buy a sticky D, you know. I soon buy one, man. I a circle. Yeah. Alright, people say it get late. But I'm showing you what I go and see. You see it? Yeah, man, I'm showing you what I go on. Right around here, so you have an ATM over here, so. But I really show the plaza here name still not people, but just a bloggy place around where I go and see the Giant Family Mart. This is a big supermarket. Yeah man, it's big. taxi man them over here, so something see him, you see it. No man, you're not in there, man. You're not in there, miss. Oh, go on. You want to see a few? You want to see a few? Make the people, oh, you're Christian. So just tell the people them so them to come to Christ. Just talk.
Jesus says he's the way, the truth, and the life.
Yes,
no man
sir.
cometh to the Father but by me.
Yes,
the
sir.
best friend you can ever have is Jesus.
Jesus.
St. John 14 verse 6.
Yes, sir.
Have a good one.
Yeah, man.
That's the wife
Yeah,
of
man.
the best New Testament church.
Yeah, man. I wish me all the good luck, though. Is
I
it?
pray that the Lord will bless you and keep you from all.
Alright, thank you so much, sir. Alright? Yeah. That's so good, yeah. I feel that one, the people, yeah. God is good, man. You see it? I have a big up God every time. Hello. I'm a blogger, that's a bloggy place and thing. Oh, you stay, you know, like the camera thing, right? You can't bet in like camera thing. You can't big up yourself, big up somebody overseas, make them see what I'm going. Alright, but look, you know, alright, I'm not share your face. I'm just going. Yeah. See the people? Then sell every search Dex Media. See the Dex Media, yeah. See them have everything, people. Share. Everything our style look good. Yeah man, how they call these people?
Lemon.
No, this the bucket is so I put. Alright. I don't know about them thing in Jamaica. Alright. I wish I have the bus stop. The bus stop. Taxi, the bus stop there right over the other side. Alright. So this is one pedestrian cross, that's it. Alright, my general. So there's a show now I go and see when you see it, people. Over there so then them at the bus stop. The taxi stand for not to be here. How them have right there, sir?